Ask the Muscle Whisperer.
Welcome to the next question that Massage Warehouse has come up with. This one's concerning cancellation, particularly due to the COVID pandemic situation. Now, generally, I don't really have a lot of cancellations at the moment because people are just finally coming back into their sessions and they are desperate to have treatment. But when things maybe calm down a bit, how do you deal with your cancellations? So the main thing to do is to preempt the difficulties associated with cancellation. So if you're quite clear right from the get-go about what your policy is, you'll avoid a lot of the situations where it's uncomfortable in explaining that they have to pay because the policy requires in less than 24 hours they have a full payment requirement. I give a number of tips in the write-up with regards to how you can set it up, with regards to having it on your website, explaining it on the phone when they sign up, having a booking system that requires them to have their credit card captured. But generally what I do is when I explain it to them, what I want them to do is I want them to go to my website and kind of say, like, I'll introduce the idea of cancellation in the phone conversation. It's saying, if you're uncertain about the timings, etc., please look at my policies online about cancellation. Also, I want you to look online to look at the processes and procedures that are in place to ensure both our safety. So this helps also to drive people to your website to seek out information, and this is a win-win situation. So if you're kind of uncertain about how to do a cancellation, read further below about the write-up, and I give you some tips about how to do this comfortably. All the best to you.